Hey everybody, so I ordered a couple of things off of Amazon and thought I would do the unboxing so you can see what I got to hopefully improve our videos a little bit. Alright, so the first thing we got is this YelloWay microphone set. And as some of you know from watching our videos, we've got one mic that for some reason has a short or something. So when the wind hits it, it does this sound here and there. It sort of sounds like interference or something. I don't know. It's weird. And really we have one mic that don't work at all. And really none of them have a real good high sound quality. They always seem a little muffled, so when I'm editing I've learned, to turn up the volume on the video, which I just figured out recently that I could do. So we're gonna try these. They came recommended from another YouTube channel, Our Epic RV Adventure, so wanted to try these, and hopefully, fingers crossed, these will work much better than what we have. So you get this nice little case. It's kind of a hard case. And you get the splitter so that you can run two microphones at the same time. You get the little adapter that has the, I can't remember what the difference was. One's a TRS and one's a TRSS, something like that, but it's a different ring adapter, and it also comes with a spare set of foamy covers. Has a 6-foot, I believe it is, extender. Got want a free mini tripod? Well, I don't know. We'll see what that's all about. And gives you a little bit of information in there, easy plug and play steps. And you get 2 microphones. And I can't remember how long the cords are on these, but it's pretty decent length, especially if you plug in the extender. So pretty excited about this, and it does say plug tightly until click. So make sure you get it plugged in good, which I have failed to do before, so it's not so crazy that they put that on there for an instruction for, people like me. So that's a nice little set. I'm excited to use that and try it out, and hopefully, like I said, that'll help eliminate some of our sound issues, or all of our sound issues would be nice. So that's pretty cool. Now let's see what else we got. Okay, so we also got, and I am super excited, we got the Osmo Mobile 3. I am so excited. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, and I've just kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. And finally got one. So I don't know how to open the box. Oh, there it is. Didn't look like that was separate. So I got the combo, which came with a case. That's kind of stuck. Ooh, that's a nice case. I thought it would be a soft shell, but that's like kind of a hard case. That's really nice. That's a nice case. And there it is. Excalibur. Isn't that nice? I have no idea how to use it. It's already kind of moving around on me. Okay, and I already kind of forgot what my combo was supposed to come with here. There's my, looks like instructions. Thank goodness, because I believe I will need those. We've got, that looks like maybe, oh, I know what that is. That's right, now I remember. Came with this combo thing, come with a little tripod stand thing that's supposed to attach to the bottom of the Osmo, so it can just stand if you want it to stand. And carry strap or wrist strap. Not for sure what this is. Oh, okay, so a soft bag. I don't know, I guess to put your accessories in maybe. And it looks like the cable, which, there we go, I got it out. I don't know what these are. I don't know, they're like little pads for something. Don't know. And then your USB connector for charging, I'm assuming. Okay, that was all that was in there. So this was the combo. I was going to get just the DJI Osmo, and it was like $119. And then, of course, you know how they suggest things to you. So this popped up in the suggestions, this little tripod, and I'm like, oh well, you know, that might possibly come in handy. So, you know, maybe go ahead and just get it now. And it was $20, and then I saw the combo, which was $139, so basically the same price as buying them separate. And it gave you the wrist strap, which I'm assuming did not come with the $119 one. I don't know. Some people don't like the wrist straps. I like them. It gives me an extra feeling of security that, you know, especially when I'm like around water or something like that. But I really like this one because it adjusts, so you can really snug it down on your wrist. That's pretty neat. That's a nice little wrist strap. And I'm thinking this was the extra, and I don't know. I'm not sure about that. But, and I still don't know what these are. But, all right, so I am super, super excited, and I really hope there's some English instructions in this. I'm seeing a lot of languages, but I'm not seeing English. Oh boy. Let's see what. Well, this does have some English on it, so really, really excited about these products, and you know, really can't wait to use these. And I think I forgot to mention that these this microphone set, everything that you saw in this little case with the case, was like $35, $36. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we would really, really appreciate it if you would subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload new videos.